How to use Automix on Spotify. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a few steps or a few taps away for you to be able to use Automix on your Spotify app. First is ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the application by going into Google Play Store and then just simply look for the Spotify application. In here, ensure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will be updated to its latest version so you will not miss out any new features that is Spotify is offering. Now next is open up your Spotify application and ensure that you're logged in into your Spotify account. To enable and use Automix, just go into your account profile at the top left and then go into settings and privacy. Scroll down a bit from here and then choose on playback. Now below gapless playback, you should be able to see Automix for seamless transitions between songs on certain playlists. Now once you enable Automix, you should now then be able to use Automix enabled from your Spotify playlist. And that is how you use Automix on Spotify.